Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor 4x4 and today I have for you the 2019 Mitsubishi L200 Warrior Edition. Now this one does come with 44,000 miles upon the clock. This is a 5-seater with a rather large bed at the back. This does also come with an automatic transmission, heated seats for the two front passengers, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, low range as well. Now, as I just showed you the interior, we do of course have cruise control, hands-free cooling and also voice assist upon the steering wheel, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, etc. upon the screen, air conditioning just below. And if I do just show you the back, this does come with 3 leather seats. Pop down the middle, just here we do have an armrest and also 2 cup holders. This does also come with a reversing backup camera as well, which is a lovely little luxury, especially manoeuvring into those tight spaces. Now, as you can see, the bed in the back, it is rather spacious. It does also come with cargo rings to tie down any load in the back as well. And if you would like to find out more about this Mitsubishi L200, then please feel free to head over to our website, either Anchor Vans or anchorcars.co.uk. The links are in the description. Check out this vehicle, head to our site in Padworth and you can check out even more.